Here's our final video in this set. Juan made 90 ounces of lemonade for his family. He mixed 63 ounces of lemonade concentrate, that's the stuff that comes in the can, and 27 ounces of water to get the flavor that he wanted. So we're going to start, and this looks really familiar, I'm sure. We're going to start with the parts. So 63 ounces of the concentrate plus 27 ounces of water equal 90 ounces for our total. Now, again, the reason that we write that out, we want to simplify this, and one of the reasons that people don't like word problems is you've got all those extra words in there. So we're taking the information out little by little. So now we have what we need to build our ratios. So our ratios are going to be concentrate to total, which is a ratio of 63 to 90, and water to total, which is a ratio of 27 to 90. 63 plus 27 equals 90. And when you're doing fractions, the denominators just come across. As soon as they're the same denominator, you just bring them right across. Simplify. 63, 27, 90, all divisible by 9. So 63 is 9 times 7, 90 is 9 times 10, 27 is 9 times 3, 90 is 9 times 10. I know I did those correctly because when I add these two ratios, 7 to 10 plus 3 to 10, I get 10 to 10. I get another big one. That's my check. Little checks along the way so I don't start making mistakes that then affect the rest of my problem. All right, Juan decides to make lemonade for his peeps. His peeps are lucky people. If he makes 70 ounces of the same recipe, how many ounces of lemonade concentrate will he need? So this is the concentrate question. So how much concentrate will Juan need? Now remember, if they had asked how much water would he need, then you would put the water ratio here. But we want the concentrate ratio. Our simplified concentrate ratio was 7 to 10. The question is how much concentrate for 70. You could look at this right away and see, wow, you know what? 10 times 7 is going to make 70. So let's go right to using the big 1. 7 to 10 equals x to 70. We go right to using a big 1, 7 times 7. 7 times 10 is 70. 7 times 7 is 49. And 49 ounces is how much of the concentrate that he will need. Now, we could do that by cross-multiplying. So let's do it by cross-multiplying just as a check. We would have 7 times 70 equals 10 times x. 7 times 7 is 49, so 7 times 70 is 490 equals 10x. We would divide both sides by 10. That is the coefficient. It gives us the big 1. 10x divided by 10 is x. 10 into 490, the way that you want to do this is you want to, if you have a 0 on top and a 0 on the bottom, cancel them out. 49 divided by 1 is 49. Same answer both ways. And finally, how many ounces of water, part B, how many ounces of water will Juan need for the lemonade he's making for his peeps? Well, We know that one is making 70 ounces altogether. That's his total. He just used 49 ounces of the concentrate. What's left in the container? Basically, the 70-ounce container is going to be filled with water or concentrate. 49 of its concentrate. 6 minus 4, and 21 ounces of the water. We can do a quick check of that. And if we bring over the water ratio, which was 3 to 10, that has to equal our same x to 70. We use our same big 1 because we have the same 10 and the same 70 here, so it's still 7 times 10 to get 70. 7 times 3 gives us 21. All right, so in this set of videos, there are 6 problems shown. You're going to see these on test 12. You want to be ready. So if you need to go back and review some of these, go back and review. If you weren't sure how to do some of the problems on the original page I gave you, the one we started in class, now go back and use those for practice. Take the time to get this understanding to the point that when you see that problem on the test the first time, you go, oh, all I do is, and then do it as a recipe problem. Okay, if you have questions, be sure you bring them to class.